Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add by the fireplace on a CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add a video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom. And then after this, you can click on the video effect. And now at the menu, you can swipe until you can see details. You can click on it. And in here, you can click on the buy the fireplace. And now you can click check icon in here. Now you can adjust the effect, so you can click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the speed, for the sticker, and for the filter. And after this, you can click check icon in here. Now you can set the effect until the end of the video. Finish. So that's how to add by the fireplace on a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.